For 75 years, Standard Process has provided healthcare professionals and their patients with high-quality nutritional supplements made from whole foods. With over 175 products, we have earned a trusted reputation in the field of nutrition for improving the quality of life. We continually formulate new synergistic whole food nutritional products to further address patient needs. Standard Process is owned and managed by the Dubois family, relatives of Dr. Royal Lee. In 1929, Dr. Lee founded Standard Process, which is built on his scientific innovations. The family preserved Dr. Lee's inventions, book collection, original research materials, writings, and lectures in the Dr. Royal Lee Memorial Library.
For many years, I've been fortunate to continue the family tradition set forth by Dr. Lee. I'm here in the Dr. Lee Memorial Library, a place that helps me stay connected to the principles the company was founded upon. I often think about how Dr. Lee began back in 1929 to educate the world on how good nutrition is a foundation of health. I believe he would be proud of us as we continue to use his philosophy to produce high-quality whole food supplements. It's through these products that we provide the best nutritional support that improves the quality of life. I look forward to sharing the Standard Process story with you. Please enjoy.
In the 1920s, scientists were just beginning to realize the power of dietary supplements. One dentist, Dr. Royal Lee, found himself at the forefront of nutritional research when he discovered a relationship between vitamin deficiency and tooth decay. Once he discovered the benefits of vitamins on the endocrine system, Dr. Lee pursued the nutritional sciences with the same enthusiasm that fueled all of his endeavors. By 1929, his extensive study of the subject led him to develop a unique blend of concentrated whole foods. The result was Catalin, a multivitamin whole food supplement designed to support overall health. Word quickly spread about the health benefits of Catalin. Demand grew, and Standard Process was founded under the name Vitamin Products Company. Dr. Lee realized that the key to preserving the maximum nutrients from the whole food complex was the manufacturing process. Therefore, he designed and built several specialized machines, such as the high-vacuum, low-temperature drying equipment used to preserve whole food ingredients. These machines greatly improved the quality of his products. As the business grew, it occupied multiple locations throughout the greater Milwaukee, Wisconsin area. Today, Palmyra, Wisconsin is the home of Standard Process's state-of-the-art 207,000 square foot manufacturing, warehouse, and farm facility, plus 1,000 acres of nutrient-rich company-owned farmland. Dr. Lee challenged common scientific beliefs by choosing a more holistic approach of providing nutrients through whole foods. His goal was to provide nutrients as they are found in nature, in a whole food state, where he believed their natural potency and efficacy would be realized. It is the philosophy of Dr. Lee that when nutrients remain intact and are not split from their natural associated synergists, known and unknown, bioactivity is markedly enhanced over synthetic nutrients. Following this philosophy, even a small amount of a whole food concentrate will offer enhanced nutritional support compared to a synthetic or fractionated vitamin. Our supplements are comprised of whole food concentrates, tissue extracts, and botanicals. Naturally occurring vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients from plants are chosen to work synergistically for maximum effect. Whole vitamin complexes are derived from the concentrates of many plants, including pea vine, beets, buckwheat, carrots, and alfalfa. Extracts from animal tissues and protomorphogen and cytosol extracts provide nutrients and support for the corresponding organs in patients. Since 1929, our dedication to providing quality whole food supplements has never faltered. We have grown from a company with one product, Catalin to a company that now offers 3 product lines: Standard Process Whole Food Supplements, Standard Process Veterinary Formulas, and MediHerb Herbal Products. These products help us fulfill our ultimate goal: helping patients live healthier lives. Standard Process manufactures more than 175 whole food supplements to support the health of people and animals. Our extensive product line supports the healthy function of many systems, such as the endocrine, cardiovascular, digestive, hepatic, respiratory, skeletal, renal, and other physiological systems. Aside from our supplements, we also offer a variety of whole food health bars. Standard bars provide nutritional support to the human body by supplying the needed nutrients found in whole foods. These bars offer a healthy alternative when a supplemental energy boost is needed. The Standard Process Veterinary Formulas provide optimal nutritional support for dogs and cats. These formulas help veterinarians address the nutritional needs of their patients by providing targeted support for many systems in the canine and feline, including the liver, kidney, heart, and adrenal glands. Ingredient combinations were individualized for each species based on the specific factors associated with the targeted organs, glands, and tissues. In addition to our extensive line of whole food supplements, Standard Process is also extremely proud to be the exclusive United States distributor for MediHerb, an Australian herbal products company. MediHerb offers a complete line of superior quality herbal products available in tablets and capsules, as well as a wide range of liquid herbal extracts. All MediHerb products are supported by world-class educational material and programs, which are available online at their website, www.mediherb.com. In Australia, all herbal manufacturers, by law, must be licensed by the government to manufacture under pharmaceutical standards. MediHerb surpasses these standards to guarantee the consistent, superior quality, efficacy, and safety of all of their products. Standard Process and MediHerb believe that whole food nutritional supplements and herbal products are natural complements for optimal health. No matter which product you use, you can be assured that all of our products contain a synergistic combination of ingredients that were selected for their specific metabolic and supportive effects. Our products undergo a unique manufacturing process involving foods grown organically on company-owned farmland and are tested for quality throughout the manufacturing process to assure purity and potency. Our farmland, located in Wisconsin's Kettle Moraine Basin, is laden with minerals and nutrients. It is here on company-owned, certified organic farmland that we grow strong, vital plants that are used as raw materials in our whole food supplements.
Dr. Lee believed that whole food nutrition begins with sun, water, and fertile soil. We maintain the quality of our supplement's vegetable base from the moment the seed is planted until it becomes an ingredient in one of our supplements. But this is not an easy task. We achieve this by operating a certified organic farm and by practicing exemplary quality control standards throughout the manufacturing process. Because we grow the majority of our raw materials, the timeline to bring 1 bottle of Catalin to market is 282 days. This does not even account for soil preparation, seed procurement, and all of the paperwork and planning that is involved before the vegetables are even planted. Every department at Standard Process works synergistically to ensure that only the finest quality products are produced. Here at the farm, we are very proud to be the first link in the chain of quality that defines Standard Process.
Every year, we rotate the crops and change the acreage for each crop based on the estimated needs of the main production facility. In the fall, the mineral and nutrient levels of the soil are tested. Our quality standards demand that the soil be rich in minerals and humus. No chemical fertilizers or pesticides are ever used in our organic growing process. One of the ways we keep our soil balanced is by practicing eco-sensitive manufacturing, in which we return the majority of plant and other raw material byproducts back to the fields in a monitored land spreading program. In doing so, we keep nearly 1 million pounds of byproducts out of landfills and put natural nutrition back into the soil to be utilized by our crops in the following year. When soil test results come in, they are studied to help determine which crops will fit best in each field. Most seed is planted directly in the field, but some plants get started in our greenhouse before being transplanted into the field. The plants we regularly grow for use in our whole food supplements include alfalfa, beets, Spanish black radish, Brussels sprouts, buckwheat, carrots, peas, kale, kidney beans, and oats. Irrigation water is supplied from a naturally occurring artesian flowage over 500 feet below the farm surface. Organic weed control standards are strictly adhered to at the Standard Process Farm. The main methods of weed management include cultivation, mowing, hand weeding, and cover crops. Cover crops are used for weed prevention, and they also provide a good source of nitrogen and organic matter. In addition, we utilize a crop flamer, a tool employed by the organic community to control weeds that come up between the crop rows before the vegetables have a chance to canopy. New technology will allow us to continually improve our efforts at weed management. As soon as plants reach the correct maturity, they are harvested in the early morning for peak freshness. Harvest begins in early May with alfalfa and continues until the last carrot is dug in November. Upon harvest, the plants are processed on the same day to be used in our extensive line of supplements. In order to preserve the whole food complex, some manufacturing processes are completed at our state-of-the-art farm facility. Root crops such as beets, carrots, and radishes are brought directly from the field to be washed. After the plants are washed, they are ground into a pulp. The pulp is then dried and stored at the farm for future use in our whole food supplements. Some plants are chopped and pressed using an exclusive system. Juice is pressed from plants such as buckwheat, alfalfa, beets, and peas, and separated from the pulp. The result is concentrated raw materials laden with nutrients. Today, Standard Process continues the unique manufacturing processes developed by Dr. Royal Lee. In order to manufacture protomorphogen and cytosol extracts, specific animal tissues are selected and ground to create a liquid slurry. The slurry is subjected to our exclusive multi-step separation methods to obtain cell determinants and cytosolic fractions respectively. The slurry is stored in temperature-controlled stainless steel tanks, and agitators inside the tanks keep the product consistent. A high percentage of the liquid in the slurry is carefully removed with no heat using a filtration system, resulting in concentrated raw materials laden with both fat and water-soluble nutrients. Custom-engineered low-temperature, high-vacuum dryers preserve the nutrients in glandular raw material and field products such as alfalfa, beets, and buckwheat. After drying or blending granulations, products are milled for uniformity and consistency. Our various milling capabilities provide us with defined particle sizes for mixing our ingredients. The raw materials are measured and mixed with the utmost precision in accordance with Dr. Lee's time-proven formulas. Because we combine natural ingredients and we never use artificial flavoring, smell and taste may vary from batch to batch. Binding ingredients such as honey and gum arabic are added to the dried material as a natural binder for tableting. Our precision-designed equipment efficiently presses tablets from the mixed batches of product. This press is computer monitored and measures the weight, density, and thickness of the tablets. Our capsule machines are carefully monitored to ensure that precise amounts of product are measured and enclosed in capsules. This machine has an internal computer system that is programmed for the specifications of each product. In order to fill our powder formulas, Standard Process uses a computer-controlled auger filler. This system achieves very accurate fills and provides a highly consistent product from batch to batch. The final product is sealed in amber or green glass bottles. The color of the glass helps protect the food's nutrients from damaging light. Induction lids and bottleneck seals protect against product tampering and help prevent product oxidation. The bottles are coated with the production and expiration dates and packaged in cardboard boxes for easy storage, protection, and shipping. In addition to our bottled supplements, we also manufacture standard bars. During the process of creating the bars, the dry and wet ingredients are mixed in 300 to 350 pound batches. The dough is then extruded into 10 ribbons of dough that are cut to the proper length. After the bars pass through a cooling tunnel and achieve the proper firmness, they are packaged for preservation, identification, and dispensing. The bars are conveyed on a tabletop chain. Once the bars have been sealed in the wrapper, they are coated with the production and expiration dates. The bars are then conveyed to packing stations, where they are packed into display cartons, coated, and shrink-wrapped. All of our finished products are stored in our warehouse. The location, quantity, and status tracking of all raw materials, finished goods, and literature is automated in our warehouse management system. Using barcodes and scanners, each movement of every item is recorded. Quality control, safety, and cleanliness are all part of the daily regimen at Standard Process. Our quality control methods ensure that our supplements are rich in nutrients and synergistic micronutrients. Throughout the manufacturing process, raw materials are handled in a carefully controlled environment and are continually tested for quality. We use testing procedures approved by the Association of Analytical Communities, or AOAC. Our team of degreed microbiologists and chemists work hard to guarantee our customers receive the highest quality products on the market. Every week, our laboratory performs as many as 400 tests on raw materials, product batches, and finished products. Before manufacturing begins, microbiologists sample and test every raw material that will be used in our whole food supplements. Product batches and finished products are tested after each stage of production. Vitamin and mineral tests are conducted on all raw materials and product batches to ensure compliance with label claims and product specifications. Our on-staff chemists perform wet chemistry, such as titrations, to quantify the amount of different vitamins found in our products. Our chemists also use state-of-the-art equipment, such as the atomic absorption spectrophotometer, to test mineral content, the high-performance liquid chromatograph to test for vitamins A, E, B1, B2, and B6, the gas chromatograph to test for residual solvents, and the bomb calorimeter to test the amount of calories in the products. As new technology becomes available, Standard Process evaluates its potential and incorporates it into the laboratory if it meets our needs. The Personal Lab is just one example of new technology that we have brought into the microbiology laboratory. The Personal Lab is a fully automated microplate analyzer. It tests for Salmonella, Listeria, and E. coli 0157H7. After the tableting and bottling process, physical tests are performed on the products. Tablets are monitored for hardness, size, weight, moisture, and water activity. Hardness and moisture testing ensures that tablets remain intact throughout the packaging and shipping process. Disintegration tests are run on tablets to make sure that the patient will be able to digest and absorb the nutrients quickly and easily. Powders and capsules are monitored for moisture and consistency. The weight on all products is tested to guarantee that label claims are met. A product can be tested up to 8 times before it leaves our facility. In addition to the quality control procedures practiced inside the laboratory, we also monitor the temperature of certain machines, coolers, freezers, and rooms where raw materials or finished goods are stored. This helps us validate quality throughout the manufacturing process.
We follow good manufacturing practices, also known as GMPs, which were drafted by the Food and Drug Administration specifically for the dietary supplement industry. These GMPs are similar to pharmaceutical GMPs in some important respects. They address everything from raw material handling and sampling all the way through the process to finished goods and product labeling. Adhering to GMP specifications assures us that our products meet the standards of quality that our customers have come to expect.
Standard Process is inspected and regulated by the FDA, the USDA, and the Wisconsin Department of Agriculture. Our quality control standards enable us to maintain critical processing control points to ensure quality and safety, and allow us to continue our proud tradition of producing the highest quality whole food supplements available. Dr. Royal Lee believed in the value of scientifically researched whole food nutritional supplements. He field tested his unique nutritional supplements and endorsed and supported clinical evaluations of them by others. Input from healthcare professionals enabled him to enhance and perfect the health benefits of Standard Process products. Standard Process is dedicated to continuing Dr. Lee's research and development practices by applying the latest technology and expertise to his founding principles. We combine the evaluation of current scientific research and Dr. Lee's insights and teachings with applied clinical research in our Research and Development Department. Our Research and Development Department consists of skilled, professionally trained, degreed scientists who work to provide a solid scientific basis for the safe and effective use of high-quality supplements, herbs, and other natural products for healthcare professionals. Our scientists' goal is to gain a detailed understanding of the underlying biochemical components, physiological activities, and population health applications of whole food supplements, so that we can meet our mission of providing the safest, most effective, highest quality products. Our scientists meet this goal by performing basic, clinical, and outcomes research. At Standard Process, our scientists utilize basic research to identify and quantify key chemical markers within whole food ingredients and analyze them throughout the manufacturing process. Our scientists use luminescence spectroscopy and cell culture applications, among other techniques, to perform basic research. The basic research that is performed in our Research and Development Department assures us that the nutritional integrity and maximum synergistic capacity of the final product is maintained. In addition to basic research, Standard Process also focuses on clinical and outcomes research. Our research team works with healthcare professionals and universities to perform clinical research, which allows us to evaluate the effectiveness of new and existing whole food supplements in large populations of patients. Some of our clinical research is performed by on-site healthcare professionals who are participating in our accredited graduate medical education program. This program provides both complementary and conventional healthcare professionals with postgraduate training in integrative medicine and clinical research. By utilizing outcomes research, we are able to study the impact of whole food supplements on patients. Internally, we utilize outcomes research to evaluate the effectiveness of our corporate wellness program, which promotes health education to employees. As part of the program, employees can receive nutrition and fitness guidance, commit to a protocol of Standard Process supplements, and complete an annual health screening. The clinical and outcomes research conducted by our research department allows Standard Process to continually evaluate the effectiveness of whole food supplements.
Good afternoon, Standard Process. This is Chris. How may I help you?
Whether ordering from Standard Process or from one of our regional distributors, customer service is a top priority. The primary function of the Standard Process Customer Service Department is to place product and literature orders for healthcare professionals. Healthcare professionals can also call the Customer Service Department to check on the status of an order, check on the balance of their account, open a new account, update a current account, and/or obtain the contact information of their Standard Process sales representative. Patients can call the Customer Service Department to obtain a healthcare professional referral. Healthcare professionals can become members of the Standard Process website at www.standardprocess.com and enjoy the convenience of placing product and literature orders online any time of the day or night. In addition to online ordering, members of our website can store and save orders, access and search all catalogs, view literature, read our current newsletter, SP News, and access logos, pictures, and descriptions of products for use in promoting Standard Process products. After an order is placed, the shipping department initiates an automated picking and packing procedure. Specially designed computerized flow racks streamline the fulfillment process by tracking orders with a barcode system. Whether an order is placed with our customer service department or on our website, all product orders received during normal business hours are completely processed within minutes.
At Standard Process, we are proud to help people live happier, healthier lives through the use of whole food nutrition. Our mission is to improve the quality of life by providing the safest, most effective, and highest quality dietary supplements offered through healthcare professionals. As we continue to grow through the development of new opportunities, our work here at Standard Process is more rewarding than ever before. Thank you for taking the time to get to know more about us and how our products can help you and your patients obtain optimal health.
Standard Process, committed to health from seed to supplement.